Hello, welcome back. I'm so excited you're joining me today as we paint this cute home sweet home sign complete with a sunflower. I love sunflowers. I think that they just add a little bit of warmth to anything that they're added to. Okay, so to start things off, we are going to be staining the backer a light brown color, and we will be painting the words home black, the word sweet a fun warm turquoise color, and then when we're painting the flower, the petals pop out, so we'll be painting those yellow, and then the outline will be painting a dark brown. Now here's a little key. I am not using the inserts of the center of the sunflower. I'm going to be letting the light brown color be shown through the cutouts from the backer. So we will be distressing the back of the board. I will cover this area right here with masking tape so it doesn't get distressed, so the solid brown will be visible. So let's go ahead and get started. So now that the backer has dried, we're going to go ahead and remove the masking tape along the line. And then we're going to rotate, and then we're going to put the masking tape just on the inside of the line. And that's so the inside of the center of the sunflower won't get distressed with the rest of the backing. And I'm just going to take another piece of masking tape and cover that area. What you can do is, if it's coming outside the petals, you can just tear it off. Really, your biggest concern is to protect the center area. So as long as the center area is covered, you should be good. Then we're going to take our chip brush and our light cream color, and we're going to just work the paint into the bristles so it's rather dry. Let's see here, rather dry and stiff, and that will give us our best distressing technique. And we're going to just go horizontally on the board to give the best look. All right, and last, I'm going to add just a little bit of sanding edges to the sunflower outline as well, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Not necessarily doing every edge. All right, and now we're ready to glue. So I'm going to start with gluing the outline piece down first, and then all of the petals can slip into place, and then I'll follow these little etched in lines to glue the words into place. All right, so now that everything is glued into place, I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of jute to the top of mine so I can hang it. If you opted to have it sit in an easel, then your holes will either not be cut, or you can add a bow up top. But in my case, I'm going to go ahead and just add some jute to it so it can be hung from a table stand. And your sign is ready to be displayed. I hope you had a fun time painting with me today, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.